In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a channel on Rumble. So what you want to do is first sign up to Rumble by pressing sign up over here on the top right. And right here, as you can see, you have to put in your name. So let's put instant, and username instant how to in my case. Then you have to make up a password you want to use. So I'm gonna use this password right here, this one, and then again, there we go. Then you have to put in your email address, which in my case is the instanthowto@gmail.com. You have to retype in the email address, but I just copy and pasted it. And you have to put in your country and then date of birth. So you have to put in your date of birth. Okay, find it over here in the drop down menu. And then optional field is a refer. I do not have a referral right now, so I'm not going to put it in. And this over here is also optional, so I'm not going to put it in at this very moment. And what you want to do is just click on this checkbox over here to agree to what it says, and then press on register. Then you're going to have to verify your CAPTCHA. It says click on images with bridges. Now, bridges are over here, here, and here. Let's click verify. And then, as you can see, I have just successfully registered. Now, you have to then check out your email to activate your account and start uploading videos. And once you do that, you can, as it says, start uploading videos. Now, what I'm first gonna do is I just refresh the website so you can see this is now my Rumble account, and I'm going to create a channel. So the way you create a channel on Rumble is very, very simple. You simply scroll down here on the right where it says create channel, and you simply give your channel name in here. So the name is going to be Instant How To, and the title is going to be the same, and description is going to be how to tutorials. Okay, you can then also choose a thumbnail or an avatar, a profile picture for your account. I'm not going to do this right now. And then also backsplash. This is basically just like a banner on YouTube, so it's the background picture. And then add in your social URLs of Facebook, X or X Twitter, Truth Social, or Instagram. And then once you've done all this, you just simply click on create. It says creating channel, and this is it. The channel was created.